You can earn $60 again and again on complete autopilot using this popular platform for completely free, and you can get paid in PayPal Pay, advance cash, perfect money bank transfer, and in many other payment methods available here. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still use this platform and earn money with it. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to Cryptomus. I will leave a link to Cryptus in the description of this video and the pinned comment. So Cryptus is the platform that's going to help us earn $60 and you can easily earn over $600 in a day using Cryptus. But before I show you how you can earn such money with it, I would like to first introduce Cryptus to you so that you can earn 2 times, 5 times, or even 10 times more money than others. So Cryptus is a cryptocurrency payment gateway that helps you to send and receive cryptocurrencies using its efficient and fast blockchain technology. And the good thing is that you can get paid in different payment methods like PayPal, advance cash, perfect money. And if none of these methods are available for you, you can get paid directly to your bank account. You can withdraw money to these platforms through P2P exchange, where you can sell your crypto and receive fiat like dollars or euros. You can use Cryptus for both business and personal use, such as if you have a website where you sell some stuff, you can integrate Crypt with your website to receive the crypto payments. But don't worry, we don't need a website to earn money with Cryptus, and for personal use, you can use it to store your cryptocurrencies, send or receive different cryptocurrencies, and much more. Basically, it's an all-in-one solution that provides users with everything they need to get started in the world of crypto. Not only that, you can also receive payment in dollars, euros, or any other currency using Crypt. As you can see, Cryptus partner Mercurio allows your clients to pay via fiat with Visa or MasterCard now. The good thing is that you can earn Cryptus tokens, also known as CRMLs tokens, for completely free on Cryptus that you can later exchange for USDT and withdraw using the Uniswap platform. There are 2 ways to earn CRMs tokens, starting with the first one, which is to earn cash back. You will earn 1% standard cash back when you pay an invoice from a Cryptus merchant with your Cryptus wallet, and there is 0.4% cash back for an authorized session when you click on the Pay with Cryptus button on Payform. Now, the second way to earn CRMs tokens is to use the award section. And for this, you just need to click on your profile and select the awards section. From there, as you can see, to earn Cryptomus tokens, we must have 2-factor authentication enabled on our account, and we must complete our KYC on Cryptus. After you complete these requirements on this page, you can find different simple tasks that you can complete and earn Cryptus tokens for completing them. For example, by downloading the Cryptus app from the App Store and leaving a review on the App Store. You will get 2.5 Cryptus tokens just like this. You can complete these simple tasks here and get paid anywhere from 0. 5 CRMs tokens to 3 CRMs tokens per task you complete. Cryptus is one of the most popular and trusted payment gateway. You can use it on your computer or laptop device and your smartphone device. I personally use it for my other online businesses that operate through websites, and it is really the best mode of payment for personal purposes, and for your business purposes, all of us should have a Cryptomus account for doing safe and secure online transactions. So I would recommend you to click the first link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and create your Cryptus account today. Cryptus is available worldwide and you can use it from any country around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you. Cryptus is completely free to use and you can earn over $600 per day using it for completely free. And the reason behind its popularity is it's only one commission structure. They don't have any hidden charges, no additional integration commission, no withdrawal commission, and no subscriptions or monthly usage commission. They just take 0.4% commission per transaction that you receive as a new merchant user when you use the business wallet, which is really awesome. And for the personal wallet, they just have a commission in P2P exchange and a fee of network. Their Auto Convert feature allows you to convert all incoming payments to the currencies you prefer, which helps to protect you from the loss of volatility in the price of different cryptocurrencies. Cryptos provides a fast and secure transaction facility because each and every transaction is securely tracked by their blockchain network. And the good thing is that if a Cryptos user transfers any payments to you, you won't be charged any fee. And that's really amazing. And if you have an online business that you run through any website using Cryptos, will help you get more conversions, which will ultimately increase your revenue and profits. One more great thing about Cryptos is that they don't charge any withdrawal fee from their users. Of course, there is some network fee, which depends on which cryptocurrency you are trying to send and how busy the networks are, but they don't actually charge any fee from their users. Not only that, you can also set up automatic withdrawals from your personal account to any wallet by assigning a period currency and a network. And you can also send mass payouts to thousands of addresses with flexible automatic conversions in just one moment, which is really great feature that one can use to save a lot of time and effort. So now, the second step is to register yourself on Cryptos, because the more knowledge and experience you have about this platform, the more money you're going to make with it. So just click the first link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Create a strong password for your account, check this terms and privacy policy box, and press create an account. And once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. So here you can see your personal wallet and your business wallet. And on this section, you will be shown all the transactions related to your wallet. Now, if you want to receive any cryptocurrency payment, all you have to do is to click on the receive from here. Then just select the currency you want to receive. For example, I want to receive the USDT currency. So I will select it from here. Next, I will just select the network for my currency, which is the B20 network in this case. After that, I just need to scroll down a little bit, and here I can see the address and the QR code to receive USDT currency to my account, which I can copy from here, and I can share the same with the sender, just like this. You can withdraw any currency from here. Now, if you want to convert any currency in your wallet, you can do so by clicking on this convert option right here. Then you can select the currency you want to convert in this box, and next you can select the currency you want to convert it into. You can enter the amount of currency you want to convert right here, and you can easily convert the currency from here. Now let me show you how the business wallet works. So here you can see all the transactions from your merchant, and first of all you need to add a merchant. If you have any, for example, you are running an SMM panel store game, keys, cases, or accounts hosting VPN or any other business through your website, you can just click on this plus icon over here, and you can enter the name of your merchant in this box, and just click create a merchant. As you can see, you successfully added a new merchant, and you can close this pop-up from here. So now you can see all your merchants on the left hand side. And for example, you want to integrate your newly created merchant Cryptos account with your website. All you have to do is to select the merchant from here and click on settings from the above. Just make sure API integration is selected right here, and then scroll down a little bit here. You want to make sure that the website option is selected unless you want to connect your Telegram bot to it. Then just paste your website URL in this box and write some simple description about your website and click the submit button. Right here, it will show you 3 ways to confirm your domain, and I would recommend you to use the meta tag method to confirm your website. So just select it from here. It will give you a code that you have to put in the head tag of your website, and then just click on this check button to confirm your website, and your API integration will be completed successfully. One more important thing is that you can set up an convert setting on your merchant payment, which will protect you from the loss arising from the volatility of the price of different currencies. So for example, if you want the Cryptus to automatically convert the BNB currency you receive through your merchant into the USDT currency, all you have to do is to select this icon next to BNB currency and select the USDT option from there. Now you just need to turn on the auto convert option next to it, and from now on, all the BNB currency you receive through this particular merchant will be automatically converted into USDT in your Cryptus business account. Cryptus provides you with the white label crypto payment gateway. This means that you can add your website branding through all the steps of payment processing on your website through Cryptus. So you can upload your logo for it to appear on your payment page instead of Cryptus logo. You can mask the Cryptus domain name with your company domain name, etc. And the good thing is, you will get all this at no extra cost other than the 4% commission fee on your incoming transactions, which is just awesome. Cryptus also provides you with crypto processing. This means you can create your own crypto exchange using Cryptus, and you can also create your own crypto gateway. With the help of cryptos and much more, you can see a map on the screen depicting exactly how all the crypto processing works using Cryptus. And for this, you can contact their team to help you set up everything with ease. And if you want to earn a passive income, you can use Cryptus staking feature to maximize your returns on digital currencies. You just need to have an account in Cryptus and you can start staking crypto to earn passive income. You will get rewards and interest for staking crypto on Cryptus, and the good thing is you can withdraw your staked funds at any time you want. You can stake currencies like Tron BNB, DAI Ethereum, and USDT, and you can receive 5% from staking Tron and 3% from staking other listed currencies. Now, step number 3 to earn money with Cryptus, all you have to do is to select the personal wallet from here. Then you need to click on your profile icon and select the settings option from there. Now on this page, I want you to click on the referral program from the left that's going to show you that you can invite clients on Cryptus and you can earn 30% of commission on the payment commission earned by Cryptus through your client. So for example, if you refer one client to Cryptus using your link, which you can find right here, and you can copy the link by pressing this button, and that client does $100,000 in sales every month, Cryptus will earn 2% on $100,000. That is $2,000, and you will get 30% of Cryptus earning. That is, you will get paid $600 every month on complete autopilot. Now, if you refer 10 clients, you will earn $6,000 every month, or you will be earning $60 again and again on complete autopilot, and you might earn over $600 every day if you keep referring more and more clients. And to find clients, you can go over to Google and search for app developers in top-tier countries like the United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and the United Kingdom. You will be shown different websites on the search result page of Google. All you have to do is to open up these sponsored websites because they are already spending money on acquiring clients. So they will be more likely to integrate Cryptus to their websites. Once you open up any website, I want you to search for their contact email address on their site, and I want you to send them an email promoting the Cryptus in a friendly way with your referral link in that email. And for this, you can take the help of ChatGPT, because why not? Even if you get 30 clients in total who earn over $100,000 a month each, they will together do transactions over $3 million on Cryptus every month. This means you will be earning over $18,000 every month on complete autopilot, or you will be doing $600 every day for just referring them once. Once again, the link to the Cryptus will be in the description of this video, and you can use that link to register on this awesome platform and start to earn money from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.